Are you looking for a way to remove multiple friends on Snapchat? Don't worry. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Here's the advanced guide on how to remove multiple friends on the Snapchat app to use on your Android or iPhone device. So, let's get started. Open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on My Friends. After that, find the friend you want to remove. Since there is no direct way available to remove your multiple friends on Snapchat, then you need to go one by one. Now, find out and tap on their name. Scroll down and tap on Manage Friendship. Now tap on Remove Friend and tap on Remove to confirm. So, this is how you can delete or remove your Snapchat friends. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.